guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video is going to be a DIY stand-up picture holder for a desk and or shelf. I apologize for any poor audio quality as I'm still waiting on my microphone, so just bear with me until it's here. So I have a few of these cases lying around from my screen protectors over the years. I don't know why I kept them, but I did, and honestly, I think they're kind of cool. That came in quite handy. So I painted it black and done some tree designs on it with some glow and black light paint. I was not able to clear coat it properly because I'm still unable to get clear coat, but if you clear coat it, it won't scuff. I then chose my favorite photos of my boyfriend from a few different photo shoots from a very long time ago, but I chose them and then I cut them to fit into place. This took several cuts. Try to be patient with yourself and take your time making the cuts. So once you've finally gotten all the final cuts in and ready to go, just take a regular glue stick, I have a jumbo glue stick, and make sure you glue around all the edges and mostly in the center of the picture so that you can glue it to the case and get it to actually stick properly. Once you have all the edges glued, make sure you press firmly all over the whole picture to make sure that the picture gets a good firm hold onto the case, and then repeat the same process with the next picture, or you can cover a different side with stickers, drawings, or anything else that you wish to do. I just decided to go with another picture of my boyfriend, and I repeated the exact same process as the first. Okay, so right about in here my glue stick ended up falling apart, but I was able to finish using that glue stick to get that picture properly attached. Again, make sure that you press it very firmly and get it properly attached to the case, because you don't want it falling out in about a week. Okay guys, that's it. Here in a second I will turn on the black light and show you what it looks like and what the glow-in-the-dark paint looks like under black light. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section down below if you've done anything like this or plan to soon. I'm very happy with this DIY, and thank you for watching.